Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today is all about this simple yet engaging construction site sensory bin I made for my daughter. But before we head on, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So these are the fillers we used for this construction site sensory bin. Sensory bins are awesome hands-on tools for children to learn about their world and their senses. A sensory bin is one of the most amazing toddler tools that you can let your child be engaged.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!